Over the last few years, I've designed dozens of crochet bags. Some have free tutorials on my YouTube channel, some are available as written patterns, and a few are personal designs that exist only as finished pieces. Today, I thought I'd take you through my collection and share the story behind each one. When I started my YouTube channel, I wanted to make crochet accessible, so I shared many of my bag designs as completely free tutorials. Looking back now, I realized these bags also tell the story of how my style evolved over the years. Hi, I'm Julie. Welcome to my channel. This is my gray rose bag. Sometimes I wanted crochet to look more like sculpture than fabric. Here I experimented a lot with color combination and texture. The fringe completely changed the movement of the bag while keeping the construction simple. Small bags can make just as much of a statement. This one combines simple stitches with decorative details for an elegant boho look. Change the color and you have another look. And this one is also boho inspired. I wanted the mandala to be the focal point, while the fringe adds movement and a relaxed summer vibe. This bag was inspired by festival fashion, bright, lightweight, and designed to stand out. Now the next bag in the row. I wanted this bag to feel soft and elegant, providing that simple texture can create a sophisticated design. Now to my pom-pom bag. Sometimes creating is simply about having fun, and this fluffy pom-pom bag definitely falls into that category, right? Next, my gold drawstring bag. Metallic yarn instantly changes the look of a project, giving this bag a more luxurious feel. Next, I have my triangle bags, a clean minimalist design that lets the shape and construction do the talking. Then I have my skull bucket bag. I also enjoy designing pieces with a darker aesthetic. Crochet can be bold, edgy, and completely unexpected. My white phone bag with buttons. I enjoyed experimenting with embellishments, and these buttons give this little bag its own unique character. The Lily of the Valley bag, inspired by nature, this bag combines flowers, texture, and soft colors into one design. My yellow boho phone bag, another reminder that even small accessories can have big personality. I've made this bag for the Valentine's Day. Sometimes the shape itself becomes the design, and this heart-shaped bag says it all. Next up, I have another Valentine's Day. This heart patchwork bag. This design is playful, colorful, and reminds me that crochet can be fun at every age. And now another heart bag in the row. This is the gray heart tote, a simply everyday bag with little hearts details that makes it feel warm and cheerful. Next, I have this bag. These are two granny squares sewn together. Blue flower bag. Flowers are one of my favorite design elements, and this bag lets them take center stage. Now, the gray floral bag. This design combines lace motifs with a more structured shape, bringing together vintage inspiration and modern style. Next, I have my Demogorgon inspired bag that I've made as a present for my daughter. And now the next one is my bow bag. This is one of my statement pieces. The oversized bow turns the bag itself into a fashion accessory. And not to forget about my scrap yarn bag. I hate wasting yarn, so this project gave leftover scraps a completely new life. Next, I have this lace shoulder bag. Crochet lace doesn't only belong in home decor, it can also become a beautiful lightweight handbag. Now my pink shopping bag. I actually made two of them, a pink and a turquoise one. Everyone needs a reliable everyday bag, and this one combines simplicity with functionality. The green gradient beach bag. I love how gradients add depth and interest without making the stitch pattern complicated. And now you guys, this one is absolutely my favorite upcycling project, an espresso capsule bag. I transform used coffee capsules into shimmering sequins to create a truly one-of-a-kind handbag. I even upcycled the entire shoulder strap and also the bag bottom. It's made out of a couch. The pumpkin bag with a little ghost plaque. Seasonal projects always bring a smile, and this little pumpkin bag is perfect for autumn. The Barbie backpack. This is again a gift for my daughter. Sometimes inspiration comes from pop culture, and this playful design was impossible to resist. The next one, it was also a present for my daughter. A design that seems to make people smile. Sometimes the happiest projects are the sweetest ones, so the cherry bag. And now my last design that has a free tutorial on my channel. This bag was inspired by the iconic floral style often associated with Frida Kahlo. I combined classic granny squares with dimensional crochet roses to create something bold, feminine, and full of character. It's one of those designs that proves granny squares can be anything but traditional. Alongside my free tutorials, I also started designing written patterns. The first one is this elegant red pocket bag featuring texture, bubble stitches, and subtle metallic details that catch the light beautifully. Next is this ivory handbag, crochet with a soft gold metallic yarn and finished with delicate round metal handles. The combination of texture and metallic sparkle gives it a timeless, elegant look while still celebrating the beauty of handmade craftsmanship. And finally, this blush pink clutch. The rich bubble texture makes it incredibly tactile, while the handmade crochet heart adds a romantic finishing touch. It's a small bag with lots of personality and one of my favorite statement accessory. Designing patterns has become another way for me to share my creativity, allowing others to recreate these bags while adding their own personal touch. Not every design becomes a tutorial or a pattern, some are simply one-of-a-kind creations made for the love of designing. My orange ruffle bag. I wanted this bag to be all about movement and texture. The cascading ruffles turn a simple shape into a bold statement piece. The second one is the ivory bag with chain and flower applique. This design combines delicate details with a modern chain strap, also chain on the sides of the bag, creating a feminine bag that's both elegant and timeless. The third one is the round tapestry bag. Tapestry crochet allows me to create detailed patterns with yarn, and this round bag became a beautiful blend of color and texture. Next, I have another round bag with bamboo handles. Natural bamboo handles paired with the bubble stitch gives this bag a unique look, combining earthy materials with rich crochet texture. The next one is this green bag with lavender accents. This bag was inspired by nature again. The fresh green paired with lavender details creates a playful yet elegant design. And now I have my Zurich bag. The Zurich bag was designed as a practical everyday companion, proving that functionality and style can go hand in hand. And since I do live in Zurich, I am proud to wear this bag. And now moving into stuff that I've made for my kids, I have the Labubu inspired backpack. My kids are often my biggest inspiration. I created this backpack especially for my daughter. And then the next one, the Minecraft backpack. And this one was made for my son. As a Minecraft fan, he wanted a backpack that reflected his favorite game. And then I also have the Frozen backpack, another special design for my daughter, inspired by one of her favorite movies. And now these two backpacks with dinosaur spikes are not my own design, but they are still made by me for my kids. And the next one is the Spider-Man backpack. This Spider-Man backpack, I love transforming iconic characters into crochet designs that are both practical and fun to wear. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at my crochet bag collection. Whether it's a free tutorial, a written pattern, or a one-of-a-kind design, every bag started with a simple idea and a love for creating. If you like even more exclusive content, I've recently simplified my YouTube membership into one tier. Members get a brand new exclusive crochet tutorial every Sunday, plus exclusive discounts on all of my written patterns. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know which bag was your favorite. Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my work and enjoy exclusive tutorials every week, I'd love to welcome you as a member. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye bye.